On today's episode of Amanda Mara Bowling, I'll be reviewing the all-new Roto ROCKSTAR. This video is from a tournament I participated in on February 15th. Like I did with my Equinox review, I wanted to review this ball while actually bowling an event, not just by myself. I think the best way for me to give an accurate review is based on the reaction that I see in real-life bowling situations during league or a tournament with other bowlers on the lane. This was a singles tournament on a modified house shot, open to both men and women. First, let's talk ball specs. The ROCKSTAR is a solid symmetrical piece with an AI core that is meant for medium to heavy oil patterns. To get a little bit more specific, this ball has the NanoStar cover stock with the newly developed rocker core. This results in a medium to high flare potential with a more smooth and archy shape. The ROCKSTAR was designed to fit many styles of bowling, from playing up the boards like I do, or swinging the lane like others do. I wasn't quite sure what to expect from this ball, but I was hoping it wouldn't be too similar to my Summit Ascent. I have been needing a symmetrical solid that gives me a little more reaction than the Summit Ascent does, and something not necessarily a step down from the Ion Max, but a different shape than the Ion Max. And I believe this ball is going to fill that gap because it is a strong symmetrical with that nice archy roll that I like. And after throwing it this past weekend, I wish I would have had this ball at the Ohio State Queens tournament that I bowled a few weekends ago, because it would have given me the reaction that I was needing. I did leave the out-of-the-box surface on the ball, which is 2000 grit Abralon, but I do want to mess around with adding more surface and polishing it up to see how that affects its reaction, so keep an eye out for those videos. The layout that I chose to put on this ball is a 30 by 3.5 by 35. We were looking to get that little bit earlier of a roll, but still that nice archy shape and nothing too angular. As you can see, this ball is very strong and has great hitting power. The ball wasn't losing any energy when coming into the pocket and was carrying wonderfully. I was very pleased with the reaction I was getting with this ball. I actually bowled 2 sets on this modified house shot and was able to bowl a 674 and a 763. I didn't have to make any adjustments in this set until the 3rd game. Now, I can't say that is because of the ball only. It's probably most likely due to the fact that urethane was being thrown on this pair, which it can help provide a little hold as it pulls the oil down the lane. But once transition did hit and the ball did start to come in too high, I did try to make some small adjustments like I usually do, but I don't think that was the right thing to do with this ball. For future reference, when transition hits, I would either need to move a whole zone and stick with this ball, or get out of it and maybe move into something different like the Phase AI or maybe the Road Warrior. So if you're looking for a strong symmetrical solid that gives you early roll with a smooth and archy shape, I would recommend checking out the Roto ROCKSTAR at a Storm VIP Pro shop near you.